Hello guys, good afternoon. This is your Merengue Queen, sick version. Yeah, sick because I am sick today, actually since yesterday. Eh, mm, so I work as a caregiver. Right now in the facility, most of the elderly is experiencing cough, and then they also have flu, and it's winter season here in Japan right now. So yesterday while I was working night shift, I was not already feeling well. But you know, this feeling that you can still work, but you are not also fine. But you cannot just quit right away. Alam mo yun? Because you're a Filipino, parang nakalagay na yun sa mga utak natin. Magtrabaho ka kahit may sakit ka, ganun. But trust me, it's not good. Well, I was able to do my shift until 7 a.m. in the morning. I was just waiting for the early shift to come in, and then before that happened, I already informed my chief about my situation, and even the night shift leader, and they checked on me. It's like I don't have the fever because I've been checking my temperature, but I don't have any fever. But you know, this feeling that you feel so cold in the outside and feel so hot in the inside, but you don't have. I'm not sure if the thermometer is, you know, is also sick or broken. I'm not sure. So I went home earlier than my usual shift. Actually, our shift starts at 5 p.m. until next morning 10 a.m. And I don't sleep usually in my night shift since I started working in the new branch of the company. So it's like my mind is already set not to sleep, and it's not really good depriving yourself from sleep. But since you're working as a caregiver here in Japan, I'm not trying to scare you, but this is the reality in here. Good for those people doesn't have to stay long, like 18 hours, 17 hours. But for us, for me, based on my um, own experience, I've been doing that. Sometimes if you're working the night shift, you just sometimes you stay awake 24 hours. You cannot sleep. It's so hard to sleep. I don't know why. So I think right now my body is like telling me, hey, stop. Stop. So ayun na nga, without further ado, I am sick. Merengue Queen is sick. So even if I'm sick, I want to heal myself quickly. So the moment I came back to my house this morning, I ate before I slept. And I went to the supermarket for a bit just to grab some lemon, some veggies. You know, I want to defeat this sickness. Lemon and of course ginger. I have it here. I just grab everything that I could grab, like this vitamin, lemon, because I have like a dry cough and I also have a flu. Yesterday I had headaches, but thanks to the Biogesic, it was effective. So I was able to go on with a shift without any accident and stuff like that. And then see, I have this one. This is my first time to buy this one. So let me try. I don't know if this is like concentrated. Wait, let me taste it first. Let's see. Maybe I'll shake it first. I don't really want to get sick, but we are just a human being. We get sick even if we don't want to. We're not being reckless. Sometimes it's just the surroundings especially if most of them are sick. Even if you are so strong, sometimes your body just cannot, I mean your shield, it will be like boom. Let me see. It's good, but I need to have the, you know, I need to put ginger. See, I'm trying to make a lemon tea for myself. Sorry, it's been messy here. I was able to sleep like maybe 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, maybe 6 hours already. Because my mom called me. Yeah. Now I'm in the kitchen. I wanted to sleep more, but since I'm just living alone, no one is gonna cook for me. That is the reality if you're in an OFW. No one's gonna cook for you. No one's gonna buy your medicine, but you have to go out in that cold winter season and grab anything that you can grab and feed yourself. Yeah. Let's see. It's been I've never been into the gym. Like it's already been maybe a week already. Yeah, because of course I am not trying to kill myself in the gym. You know, if my body is tired, no, I don't wanna go. I don't go there. So I don't care about not exercising for a while. I care for myself getting healed first before I come back, you know. And it's the winter season, it's just too cold. Especially if you're from the Philippines. We don't have the winter in the Philippines. In the Philippines, if it rains for a little bit and it gets cold, we need to use blanket, like jackets, very overacting but that's how we are in the Philippines. What more here if you live here? I've been living here for almost 4 years, but still I just don't love winter season. Like I just love to play the snow for a little while, but oh god, I hate it. Most of the time. Yeah, it makes your body numb, stuff like that. Your muscles are stiff. Yeah, whatever. Yeah. Maybe I put a lot of water. Let's take out. Yeah. It's alright, don't worry. I'll make sure I'll be back. I'll get back on track. I have to, even if I'm having a negative feeling in my body, I am setting my mind in a positive way. Just manifesting to get healed quickly. Let's go. I'm also going to make a soup. Maybe I don't really need the water. I forgot I have this one. I just put everything in here. I will just make a lot and then I'm just gonna put it in the pitcher, and then I will, every time I wanted to drink something, I will warm it a little bit. Of course, we are Filipino. Sayang. We don't wanna waste any fluids. There you go. Getting sick in Japan, it's crazy. Being absent at work also is not really good. Life-work balance, I'm not sure about that in Japan. It depends what kind of work do you have. It's been a while since the last time I used lemon. Now I'm using lemon as a medicine. Wish. I should have taken out the seeds. Don't want the seeds. Ish. And I don't want to go to the hospital. Why? It just make me sick. I only have the trancaso. Trancaso. Yeah. Yeah. I can still laugh because I don't want to cry just because I'm being sick. No. No way. I just want to take the seeds. I'll put one. I'll put another one. Isipon ang pango. Right now, I wanted to call my mom. I wanted my grandma's care. But no, I'm a big girl now. Big girls don't cry. Pero ngayon talaga parang gusto ko lang magpaalaga sa lola ko pag may sakit. Yun yung best feeling na nakakamiss. Pag may sakit. I've been sick. And then, simula nang hindi na ako nakatira sa kasama yung friend ko. Wala na. Kanya-kanya na kaming alaga ng mga sarili. Yeah. So today's menu, it's a healing ginger lemon tea. Maybe lemon ginger. Because mas marami yung lemon. Try dito. Ginger. Nag-iimbento tayo ng inumin. After lemon tea. Alam niyo kung ba't ko binili. Mura na lang, guys. Lagay natin yan dyan. Okay, let's have one. Siyempre nakakuha tayo ng dalawang. See? Pag naka-yellow tag na yan, alam niyo na, guys. This is Japan. This is how you live in this country. Maganda talaga yung maanghang-anghang na ano eh. Talagang nanunuot sa ano, lalamunan. Kailangan lang mailabas itong mga problema. Oh God. It's not always the fun thing, guys. We are just humans. We get sick. And if you're sick, you better watch out. You better take care of yourself. Gusto ko yung nanonood yung ano eh. I'm just gonna strain this one later. Gusto ko yung talagang ayan na siya. Back to my messy kitchen. So, I also have here the Vicks medicated drops, and I have the lemon flavor. Yeah. I also grabbed some fresh, and they call it here. I'm sure is this Asari? Ah yeah, this is Asari, like little clowns. I'm just gonna just a quick meal. I'm going to eat and then take a half bath and then rest again, and then drink this tea that I made every time I wake up. I already have a lot of fluid intakes today, and I hope tomorrow when I wake up I feel better than today and yesterday. Guys, we are not robots. I ain't getting any younger. I am getting old. My God. Natalo pa ako ng 100 years old kung inaalagaan. Hindi nga 100, 103 nga eh. Pero mahilig siyang kumain, guys. As in, yun ata yung key. Key and road to 100. You just have to eat. And then of course, let's put some ginger. And I'm putting vegetables also. I already have rice. Initin ko na lang. This is my first time to vlog myself. Not first time. I mean, first time to vlog myself na being sick and still have the energy to make my own medicine and my food. I just don't like the thought of being, or the fact that the thought of being sick. Gusto ko siyang pinuhin para so that I can eat the ginger. Guys, ginger in Japan is dollars. But I don't know. Maybe it's getting pricey. Before, I can just grab this for free in my grandpa's farm. Right now, I don't have the headache, so I had the energy to go out and grab some of these ingredients that I needed for today's recipe. I thought I'm gonna be eating fish, but this asari right here, this little clams, was telling me, buy me. So yeah, I bought them without overthinking. And they're actually cheap. They're cheap. Okay, let's put this. I'm making a sinabaw. I don't want these tomatoes to get rotten, so let's put this fresh tomatoes also. Yes. Let's get all of these nutrients. If I will get well tomorrow, then I'm gonna make this every day. How's the tea going on? Yeah, it is boiling. And then what else? I was actually craving for bibimbap, or maybe I'm gonna make bibimbap maybe tomorrow. So I'm just gonna use this one instead. Oh wait, I forgot. Should I have to drink this one time? Maybe I think so. I also grabbed this one. This is C1000, so it has 1000 milligrams of vitamin C. This is how we do kampai if we get sick. Kampai. There. Ah. Excuse me. This is my first time drinking this one. It says here it has a collagen and hyaluronic acid. Pagwapa man eh. Then after this one is cooked, I'm going to have my half lunch, half dinner. I don't know. If you get sick in the Philippines, you will get hilot. You will drink through orange. You will have lugaw. Yeah. And all of that stuff. And then later I'm just gonna peel the skin and then I'm gonna put this in my mouth and then try to have some juice while biting it or trying to squeeze it in my mouth. Yeah. We don't have the calabo here. We don't have the oregano. Yung fresh oregano. Very effective yan na siya sa ubo. Oh, wow, look at that. Let's go. Let's see. Wow, grabe. Nanonood sa lalamunan. Sa sobrang mahal ng luya guys, hindi ko makabili ng madami. Kuway. Parang ang dami ng sabaw ko. Parang ano kung mga ano ko. Nasa ilalim na lang ako. Ang OA ng sabaw ko guys. My God. Hindi pwedeng makita ng mga katrabaho ko tong vlog na to. Baka sabihin, genki naman si Niza. Ay, naku. Nasobrahan sa sabaw, guys. Tanggalin natin ibang sabaw. Ilagay natin dito. There you go. Gotcha. Nakalimutan ko, maglalagay ko pala ako ng gulay, tapos nilagay ko na lahat ng ano. Tapos ang dami-dami ko palang sabaw. Bali, hindi ko pa naman ito nilagyan ng asin. Meron naman talaga akong mga katrabaho na concern talaga pag may sakit ka. Pero meron din talagang mangilan-ngilan na parang ang hirap nilang paniwalain. Dapat nakikita nila yung talagang naka-dextrose ka, yung ganyan. Yun yung ano nila nung may sakit. Bahala sila dyan. Okay. Grabe, puro ano dito. Ito pa pala nalalagay. Sabaw is real. Pinisaya style. Tapos, lagyan natin na gulay. Sinabawang gulay tayo ngayon. Tapos, parisa na itong bahaw. I just need half. Uy, lupa pa. Gagaling talaga tayo dito. Makain natin yung lupa. Vitamins. Ay, makasabaw lagi na yung naisakit ba? Natin ang asin. Uy, lami na ni. Lami na ni ang ay. Wow, this is so. Ano, sickness 101 starter pack. Siya rin mamatay ng mga ano sa akong lamunan karon na. Berte ka lang eh. Huwag man siya kasi. Para na ito upuan na may fish sauce. Jadi siya. Ayun na yung parat-parat. Messy kitchen for now. Pag tiguang na ka, di dyan na pwede na mag-arte-arte ka nga, dili ka mukha ano na kay sakit na. Impas, di nakakasulod trabaho. Wow. Tuwangan ka ta sa ano sa lemon. Tuwa dyan eh. Maisog dyan na sila. Uy! Yapan po ito. Ano to? Bigyan ang steaming na rin dapit ah. Oh, mani na. Fighter kayo. Pero, ano. Lagyan na natin makakapagpalakas ng katawan natin. Grabe siya. Taon. Amoy-amoy yung Sarah. Yun guys, yun lang. I will end the vlog right now, and next time you will see me smiling and dancing and being active again. Bye bye.